Hey there, food lovers! Ready to spice up your dinner with something absolutely mouth-watering? Today, I'm taking you on a culinary journey with a Middle Eastern spiced nut roast, topped with not one, not two, but three types of potatoes. Trust me, your taste buds are in for a treat. Alright, let's dive straight in. First up, gather your ingredients. You'll need a mix of nuts. Think walnuts, almonds, and cashews. These will give you that rich, nutty base. Next, grab some chickpeas, onions, garlic, and a medley of Middle Eastern spices. I'm talking cumin, coriander, and a pinch of cinnamon. Oh, and don't forget your three potatoes, sweet potato, white potato, and purple potato for that wow factor. Now let's get cooking. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. While that's heating up, toast your nuts in a dry pan. This little trick brings out their natural oils and deepens those flavors. Once they're golden brown, set them aside to cool. Next, in the same pan, sauté your onions and garlic until they're soft and fragrant. Add in your spices and let them cook for a minute or so. You want to release all those wonderful aromas. Then, toss in your chickpeas and cook everything together for another few minutes. Now, it's time to bring it all together. In a food processor, blitz your toasted nuts until they're finely ground. Add in your spiced onion and chickpea mix along with a handful of fresh parsley. Pulse everything together until you have a chunky, well-combined mixture. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Grab a loaf tin and line it with parchment paper. Spoon your nut mixture into the tin, pressing it down firmly. Smooth out the top and pop it in the oven for about 30 minutes or until it's set and golden. While your nut roast is baking, let's work on that fabulous three potato topping. Peel and thinly slice your sweet white and purple potatoes. Toss them in a bowl with a drizzle of olive oil, some salt, and a sprinkle of your favorite herbs. Rosemary or thyme work brilliantly here. Arrange the potato slices on a baking tray, slightly overlapping them. Pop them in the oven alongside your nut roast for the last 20 minutes of cooking. Once everything's beautifully cooked, take your nut roast out of the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. Top it with your crispy, golden potato slices, and there you have it. A stunning, delicious Middle Eastern spiced nut roast with a three potato topping. Serve it up with a simple salad or some roasted veggies, and you've got yourself a feast fit for a king. So next time you're looking for something special for dinner, give this nut roast a go. Your friends and family will be begging for the recipe. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes. See you next time.